doing great, gorgeous? I am fine. Thank you so much for tuning in. If it's your first time here, gorgeous, you are welcome to my OGs. So gorgeous, I'm about going out with hubby. You can see they are waiting for me. So I have a wig from SHEIN. By the way, this video is sponsored by SHEIN. SHEIN, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. This wig, guys, is already wig glueless, quickly installed. So because I'm going out, I said I'm going to put that to test with you guys. Look at it here, guys. I've not opened it. I want to open it with you guys to give that a test, since they said it's already wig, it's glueless, it's already, everything is done for you, everything is pre. So guys, I'm going to unbox it with you guys. It's here. We're just going to cut it open. Okay guys, this is it. It came with this box as usual, as you guys know, and I have some goodies inside. I think so. As usual, all these goodies, the previous video that I did, you guys saw them. So many things inside here. There are so many. Remover, we have bonds, we have wax stick, comb, lace mat, and we have lace tint and edge brush. All this came with the wig. Hey, right now, because I'm in a hurry, let's do this. Let's do this, guys. Let me just open it for you guys to see. So it's here, the wig is here. I never knew that is this color. I forgot the color that I choose. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to bring it out. I'm looking for the inches. Is the inches written on it? Is it written on it? It's not written on it. Why? Okay, anyway. What's in here? Alright, we have wig cap. I already have one on, so I don't need this. If not, I have 2 pairs here. Thank you so much, SHEIN. Yeah, we appreciate. So, and there's a card here, card here. That is all. So back to business. They said it's already wig glueless, quickly install wig. So which means we don't have to do anything. Everything is done for us, right? So we're going to prove that right away. Look at the hairline. It is pre-cut. It is pre-bleached. The lace is pre-bleached. Everything is pre about this wig. Look at this. You don't need to do anything. You just pop it on and voila, you are good to go. Look at it. They tint the lace for you. The knot came bleached, okay? And the lace, you see, is pre-cut. You can see it on my hand. And this is the construction of the inside. It came with inbuilt detachable adjustable strap, okay, and inbuilt adjustable strap, and there are some combs also. This is what you get. This is what you get, okay. This is what you get. Oh, this is giving. It is giving what it's supposed to give. Hubby just came to ask me if I am ready. I told him don't worry, because I thought I want to install wig like the way we used to take time. I said don't worry, this one is not going to take time, just hold on. This is the detachable adjustable strap, so we just have to like pull this back. And I saw something that came with the wig. I will show you guys. I'll just have to pull this back. Okay, because I want it very tight. Alright, yeah, this is it. It's tight like this. And I'm still going to cross this one at the back. Inside the wig, I saw this tape. I think I've been seeing all this tape. I don't know how they use it right now. I'm going to check there. Maybe in another video, I will try this. In another SHEIN video, I'm going to try this with you guys. But for now, I don't know how they use it. Let's be frank. I have to be frank with you guys. But I think it's a tape that you just stick it here to hold your wig. Anyway, that aside, because I'm in a hurry, I don't want to do that. Okay? So let me just pop this wig on. Let me pop it on. The good news is really tight, which means it's going to give us that glueless. Because if it is not tight, it's not glueless. Oh, guys, just look at this. Hey, look at this. Look at it. Do you guys know I even forgot the color of the wig that I ordered? I forgot the color. I wore this top and the thing went well with my top. Oh, guys. Alright. So guys, I just want to add my wax stick on up like this. Then I'll use my hot comb You don't really need this, okay? It's ready for you. It's me that just being extra. If not, really, you don't need this. Because I want it really flat. That is why I am doing this. Okay, that is it. That is all I need. Should I wet it? Hubby is waiting. Yes, yes, my body is hot. Not like all those wigs you have to like install, put glue. Not like those wigs you just have to like install, do all the gbegbe. Yeah, this one is very, very simple. Okay, let me open the part. So guys, that is it. That is it. Oui, baby, Janice, c'est fini. Okay, I really love this hair. In case if you like it, go search for Ready Wig on SHEIN. Okay, this wig is really quickly installed wig. You don't need to do anything. I am so happy. If you want to add water, you can just add water, but me, I said no, I'm going to leave it like this. Look at it. It is glueless. The most interesting part, it is glueless. You just pop this. Everything is pre for you. You don't need air. You don't need to do anything. I'm really excited about this wig. So just in case if you're interested in getting this wig, all information will be on the description box. The texture is what dying for. This is what we need, especially for this summer. We don't want anything that would delay, especially with that are new mom. We don't want anything that would delay us when you're going for appointment, like as I'm going out with hubby and baby right now. And you just pop this on and you are good to go. Alright guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.